Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, this is week 1 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So guys, for the past 6+ years we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses including Joy of Computing Using Python. So this is our YouTube channel guys, SKumarEdu. You can keep subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So please watch the video till the end. We will provide most probable solutions for week 1 assignment. So subscribe our channel, definitely like the video for more videos. So first question guys, which statement best captures the professor's reason for learning programming despite the availability of many applications? So for first question, second option is the probable solution. Next, second one. For second question, option B means second option. Different languages were designed to solve different types of problems and improve programming. Next, third one. For third question, also second option is the probable solution. Next, moving on to the fourth one. Third option, practice regularly, stay motivated and learn gradually through small steps. Guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video guys. You may miss some content, right? So please watch full video and please share this news with your friends and classmates. Share this video link in your WhatsApp groups, and please subscribe our channel and definitely like the video so that your friends and classmates are also able to see the video and it will reach more number of students like you. So fifth question, first option, and next it's a case study once again. So the remaining questions based on these questions only. So now let's move on to the second case study. So from sixth question, all these questions belongs to the above case study. So sixth question, first option is the probable solution. Loops allow repeated actions to be expressed with fewer instructions while preserving the same behavior. Next, seventh question. In the improved program, what is the primary purpose of using a variable for the travel distance? So for seventh question also, it is second option. And next, moving on to the eighth one. For eighth question also it is second option. Next, ninth question. For ninth one it is first option. And tenth question it is third option. Loops help automate repetitive tasks and make programs easier to modify and maintain. Now let's move on to the 11th question. So from here the questions will be based on this case study. This is a third case study, understanding a Scratch program. So 11th question. For 11th question, fourth option, point in direction 90 degrees. So fourth option is the probable solution. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If you feel there should be any changes to be made, you can please request that in the comment section. So we'll try to sort it out. Next, 12th question. So for 12th one, first option is the probable solution. So before getting into the 13th question, I want to make a small announcement. So this is regarding exam preparation MCQs. With more than 6 years of NPTEL experience, we are providing a collection of 9 past semester assignment MCQs. So here are the packages. You can see this. So 125 MCQ sample pack, it will be 150 rupees, and 2 semesters questions approximately 240 MCQs. The price is 250 rupees, and 360 MCQs 360, and 600 MCQs 500, and 1000 plus MCQs. That means approximately 9 semesters MCQs. It will be 800 rupees. So validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So you will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So you can mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail ID. If you are confirmed to make the purchase, mail me to this below email ID. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. So take these MCQs and you can prepare for the final exam from now itself, so that you can get ample time to prepare for the final exam. So if you have any queries regarding this, you can mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So these are the prices and number of MCQs available for now. So these are completely past NPTEL assignment MCQs. Already many students and even professors have also taken these past assignment MCQs and prepared for the exams. Now let's move on to the last section of questions. So 13th question. So for 13th question, first option is the probable one. Next 14th one. For 14th question, also it is a second option, and 15th also it is second option. For 16th question, from 16th question onwards, it belongs to another case study evaluating a scratch based game scoring system. So for 16th question, it is first option, and 17th it is fourth option. 18th question, the probable solution is second option. 19th it's first option, and finally the 20th question, third option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this video with your friends and classmates, and do let them know about our exam preparation MCQs. So these are the exam preparation MCQs, number of MCQs and the prices for that. So there is a restriction for this PDF. It's a Google Drive PDF restricted link. Validity will be there till the exam results publishing day. You can mail me to this email ID for further more queries if you have any. So bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail ID, guys. So keep supporting our channel like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.